Hi friends, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to insert a hyperlink in a web page using hypertext markup language. It's very simple. Actually, HTML is a beginning only. It's very simple. So okay, let's start the code. Just we have to type this code for 2 lines only, not 2 lines, also only 1 line. I am going to take this web page link only now, stconstruction.n. Yes, we got it. We got a hyperlink. The STG is the hyperlink, and if you click that, the web page will open automatically. Super. Yes, yeah, we got it. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe our channel, and for more details stay tuned and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye bye. The bell icon for more updates. Stay tuned.